the hardness causing ions, cation and anion, which causes hardness to the water sample. If we replace with the other ion, then that process is called as the ion exchange process. And this process it is carried out by using 3 cylinders. First cylinder is cation exchanger resin. This first tank or first cylinder it is packed with cation exchanger resin. Second tank cylinder it is packed with the anion exchanger resin, and third cylinder it contains the degasifier. So first cation exchanger resin, they have the acidic functional group. They have the acidic functional group and they have capable to exchange the cation. It is denoted by RH. It is denoted by RH2. Means they have the acidic functional group and they are capable to exchange the cation. Means this cation can get replaced with the, in case of hardness causing agent, means calcium and magnesium, this H is exchanged with calcium or magnesium. So or RH2. These are the denotation by which we can denote this resin. R is nothing but the long chain which is present in the resin. Next container or next cylinder it is filled with the anion exchanger resin. It is denoted by ROH or ROH2. So example we can consider amber like 400 aminoformaldehyde resin. These are the example which are resin and they act as an anion exchanger resin, and they contain the basic functional group. Basic functional group which is capable to exchange with the anion which is present in the water, or anion which is present in the water which causes the hardness. And third tank is the degasifier. If water contains some dissolved gases, they are removed in this stage, third stage. So first, when your water get entered into the first tank which is filled with the cation exchanger resin, here are the reaction which takes place at the first container. Your first container is nothing but the RH2, which contain the acidic functional group, or which contain the cation exchanger resin having the acidic functional group and which is capable to exchange the cation. Means RH2 combined with the hardness causing salts. Means if we consider CaCl2, so what will be the reaction? This cation exchanger resin, they will combine with the calcium chloride and this RH2 become RCa, and whatever the acid, whatever the water, then it become the acid. If we consider another salt which causes the hardness, suppose MgSO4, then this resin, cation exchanger resin, it get combined with MgSO4 and it become RMg, again acid, water become acidic due to the addition of H plus in the hard water. Because now your cation exchanger resin means RH2, they become RCa and H plus get released. So this H will combine with Cl and water become acidic. So whatever this water which is coming out from the first tank, now it become acidic. So this acidic water it will inserted into the second tank which is nothing but which contain the anion exchanger resin. So this anion exchanger resin it will get combined with the acidic water means HCl or H2SO4. And here anion get replaced with the OH. OH get replaced with the anion and H2O get removed. So in this second stage, whatever the anion which causes hardness, they get combined with the anion exchanger resin at second tank, and that become RCl or RSO4. If we consider this H2SO4, when how it is formed when it get combined with the MgSO4. So So it will get combined with the anion exchanger resin and this become RSO4 and water get removed. So whatever the water which is coming out from the second tank, now it is pure one, but if some gases they are dissolved, which is present in the water in dissolved form, they get separated at this third stage, and the water which is coming out from the third tank, it is pure water. So this is whole process about the ion exchange process, which is carried out in three stages. First stage or first cylinder, it contains cation exchanger resin where all cation get replaced. Then second stage and second cylinder where the anion exchanger resin are there, where the all anion get replaced, and in third stage, if the dissolved gases are there, they get separated in the third stage. And whatever the water which is coming out from this third stage, it is the pure drinking